Hello everyone, welcome to ADT Sharda Bai Pawar Mahila Arts Commerce Science College Sharda Nagar Baramati. Students, we are learning chapter number 1, that is Introduction to Bookkeeping and Accountancy. As of now, we have seen meaning, definition of bookkeeping, objectives of bookkeeping, importance of bookkeeping, everything we have seen about the bookkeeping only. Now students, here we go to know the meaning and definition of accountancy. So as I already told you student that accountancy is the secondary level activity which start after the bookkeeping is over. So let's see the meaning of it. Bookkeeping is a part of accounting. It is the primary stage in accounting. It is the process of recording transaction in the books of account. Accounting is a part of accountancy. Accountancy is the practice of recording, classifying and reporting of the business transaction for a business. Accounting principles are the basic norms and assumption developed and established as the basis of accounting system. So these principles are adopted by the accountant universally. So students, basically it is explained that accounting is the part of accountancy. Accounting means sorting, classifying, reporting and recording the business transaction, and this principle of accountancy is accepted universally everywhere. So let's see the definition. Professor Robert and Anthony has defined accounting as nearly every business enterprise has an accounting system. Every business enterprise follow this accounting system. It is it is mean of collecting, summarizing, analyzing, reporting in the monetary terms and information about the business transaction. So what does the accounting is? It is summarizing, making it brief, analyzing means to do the research on it, reporting means communicating the monetary means money related information and about the business transactions. So students, basic method of accounting system. So what are the three bases of accounting? There are mainly three bases or the method of accounting in common uses, and they are cash basis, accrual basis or mercantile basis, mixed or hybrid basis. So let's see what is cash basis. As the name suggests students, whatever the cash related transactions are there, in that we will follow the cash basis accounting system. Means the transaction which involves the cash, those only will be recorded. So under the cash basis of accounting, actual cash receipt and actual cash payment are recorded. In this basis, revenue is recognized when the cash is received and expenses are recognized when the cash is paid. So revenue and expenses is related with the cash receipt and cash payment. Any income received and expenses paid in cash will be considered in this method of accounting. Such method of accounting is usually followed by the professionals such as doctors, lawyers, chartered accountant and not-for-profit organization. Second is a accrual or mercantile basis. Means if something is generated or accrued, then the entry will be made in the books of account. So here you can see student that accrual method, under this accrual basis of accounting, the revenue means income, whether received or not. It means actual cash may or may not be involved in this transaction, in such kind of transaction, even though such transaction will be recorded in the books of account. but has earned or accrued, means actual cash is not involved, but the transaction is happened, something is pending to be received, or something is pending to be paid. So this is known as the accrual of transaction. If the accrual of transaction is there, if the business is following the accrual basis accounting system, and so they will record the entry or record the transaction in the books of account on the basis of accrual only. For example, they have given here that any income earned whether received or not. If the income is earned, it is fixed that the income will received, but it is not actually received. Any expense whether paid or not, we know that the expenses will be paid, but actually the payment is not done. This is known as accrual basis. For example, employer, we know that every employer pays the salary at the end, by the end month end. So we know the salary is a expense, compulsory expense, so it will be recorded on a accrual basis rather than on the payment basis. And third one is a mix or hybrid basis. So it is a combination of cash basis and accrual basis. So it is a combination of both. Under mixed basis of accounting, both cash basis and accrual basis are followed. Means cash is also recorded and accrual is also recorded. So currently basically maximum this type mix or hybrid method of accounting is followed. Revenue and assets are generally recorded on cash basis, whereas expenses are generally taken on accrual basis. So what they are saying, any income, any asset are generally recorded on cash basis, whereas the expenses are generally taken into account or taken into consideration on the accrual or happening basis. So the law in India prohibits the use of this method. So law of India prohibit the use of this method, but in many business enterprises it is being followed. Hope you understood the video, student. Keep your doubts ready. Meet you soon in the next video. Till then, thank you.